Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Learn with Vinci. I hope you are doing great and somewhat I'm also fine here. It's been a while. I have posted a video because I was facing my health problems. I had got tonsillitis. So now I'm back and I've recovered myself. So let's learn with me. So I had done simple past tense. I had completed even past continuous tense or rather past progressive tense. So आज क्या करवाऊंगा? Okay, now since we are doing the past tense family, we'll meet the third member of the past tense, which is past perfect tense. Okay, so what I'm going to do today is the past perfect tense. Now, past मतलब क्या होता है? Past मतलब which has already happened. जो काम जो हो चुका है. Past means कल जो हो चुका है. Perfect means completed. Completed, ठीक है ना? So past means पहले वाला काम जो complete हो चुका है. तो past perfect tense का basically मतलब ये होता है that an action which has been completed in the past. But which past are we talking about? मैं बोलता हूँ it's a very interesting concept which you have to understand. एक होता है simple past. Okay, एक होता है simple past. But now what we are going to learn today is about the earlier past. हम लोग बात करेंगे earlier past के बारे में. Simple past we already know, but what is this earlier past? When we are talking in present about a past, when we are talking in present about a past, and while talking about that past, we are giving a reference of the earlier past. That is known as the present perfect tense. लिख के बताता हूं. You have to understand this very carefully, otherwise it will be a problem. When we are talking in present, when we're talking in present about a past, and in that past we give a reference to the early past. So let's understand this. पहले मतलब समझते हैं इसका कि इसका मतलब क्या है. Okay, काफी complicated लग रहा है, right? But it's very simple. Just hold on. क्या होता है? When we are talking in present, मतलब अभी के वक्त में अगर हम लोग कोई चीज बात कर रहे हैं, उस बात करते में अगर कोई बात उठा पास्ट के बारे में, अब वो जब पास्ट के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग, when we are talking about that particular past, उस पास्ट के बारे में बात करते करते हम लोग को ऐसा सेंटेंस मिला या ऐसा कुछ चीज हम लोग को मिला जिसमें हम लोग वो पास्ट का भी पास्ट के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, जैसे रेफरेंस दे रहे कि अच्छा ये पास्ट में इसका पहले में भी ऐसा कुछ हो गया है. दैट इज नोन एज द पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग इन प्रेजेंट अबाउट अ पास्ट एंड इन दैट पास्ट वी आर गिविंग अ रेफरेंस टू द अर्ली पास्ट. If we are talking about in technical terms, we'll say the past of the past. Please copy this, otherwise you will be able to understand still, but it a reference होने से अच्छा होता है. So please kindly copy this, pause the video, please थोड़ा पेंसिल पेन पेपर ले लो यार, तो लिखो, आसानी होगा आप लोग के लिए. So past of past. अरे भाई, what is this? Past of past. हाँ, past का भी past होता है and वो past को बोला जाता है past perfect tense. I hope so. The meaning of the word past perfect is clear. I'll give you an example or rather show you an example. उससे और better clearly understand आपको हो जाएगा. ठीक है? तो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now, you know that I give the formation. Some may call it a formation, some may call it a rule. Okay, so yeah, the formation बोलिए, the rule बोलिए, but it's a basic form. Then you can add on to it as I have told you already. So, formation. Formation क्या होता है? Subject, ठीक है? Clear? Plus the helping verb. ठीक है? Subject plus helping verb plus third form. ठीक है? Third form या तो ed से end होना चाहिए मतलब. And then plus object. So subject plus helping verb plus third form of the word. Now helping verb in this case will not be, अगर आप लोग सोच रहे हैं, and again विंसी बोलेगा was and where. Was and were नहीं होता है. Okay, in perfect tense we use only had. We use only had. ठीक है? तो फटाफट चलता हूं इसका एग्जाम्पल लेने के लिए. विद द हेल्प ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल आई एक्सप्लेन यू द फुल कॉन्सेप्ट. ठीक है? धीरे धीरे एक्सप्लेन करो बिकॉज आई एम नॉट एबल टू स्पीक प्रॉपरली बिकॉज ऑफ माई टॉन्सिलाइटिस ओवर हियर. सो बट स्टिल hang on with me and just try to understand. Okay, so please copy this because I need to rub it out. Okay, the first example, I had finished my homework before mom called me for dinner. It's a long sentence. Okay, so I had finished my homework before mom called me for dinner. Now your child will be asked कि भैया बताइए सेंटेंस जरा देख के बताइए that which type of tense is it. So simple सा बात है. Had finish को देख लो भाई. Had is a form of perfect tense itself. वो directly show करता है perfect tense. ठीक है? And then the rest of the part if you read you have to understand कि भैया वो perfect क्या चीज का perfect है. Is it present perfect or a past perfect or a future perfect? Yeah, you can't do guesswork over here. So थोड़ा English का knowledge होना चाहिए आपको so that you can understand the sentence. So I had finished my homework before mom called me for dinner. This is the past perfect tense sentence. Okay, now you know I usually make a timeline. Okay, now today I have a different timeline for you all. Same है, it's similar but still. ये हुआ present. Okay, ये हुआ past. ये हुआ अर्ली पास्ट. क्या हुआ? ये हुआ अर्ली पास्ट, ये हुआ पास्ट, ये हुआ प्रेजेंट. तो सोचो अभी बज रहा है 10 PM. ठीक है? पास्ट में बज रहा था 8:30 और ये रहा 8. If you understand this timeline, you will definitely have no problem understanding the concept of past perfect tense. Okay. I had finished my homework before mom called me for dinner. So remember my first part of the class which said we are right now in the present and we are talking about the past. So ये present का timeline अभी सोचो. मैं, मेरे पापा and मम्मी, they are out here, they having dinner. मस्त हो गए them, they having dinner. After having dinner, sorry. Okay, now 8:30 क्या हुआ? I finished my dinner. 8:30 को क्या होता है? I finished my dinner. That means my mom calls me for dinner. 8:30 को क्या होता है? Mom calls me for dinner. ये एक्शन हुआ कब? 8:30 बजे. ठीक है? But my homework was already finished before this time. 8:30 बजे का पहले मेरा ये एक्शन ऑलरेडी खत्म हो गया था. That means by 8 PM, that was my early past. उस वक्त मेरा होमवर्क कंप्लीटेड था. होमवर्क कंप्लीटेड. तो 10 बजे का बात है, जब प्रेजेंट में चल रहा है, उस वक्त पापा पूछते हैं कि आपने होमवर्क में मुझसे पूछते हैं कि हैव यू कंप्लीटेड योर होमवर्क. तो मैं बोलता हूं आई हैड फिनिश्ड माय होमवर्क बिफोर माय मॉम कॉल्ड मी फॉर डिनर. मतलब 8:30 बजे तक भी मम्मी हमको बुला रही थी. एट दैट टाइम शी वाज कॉलिंग मी फॉर डिनर. उसका भी पहले मेरा होमवर्क खत्म हो चुका था. अगेन रिपीटिंग द सेम थिंग. प्रेजेंट में बात हो रहा है. पापा पूछ रहे हैं मुझसे दैट व्हेन डिड यू फिनिश योर होमवर्क, हैव यू कंप्लीटेड योर होमवर्क, व्हाटएवर इट इज. सो आई टेल माय फादर, आई रिस्पोंड टू हिम, आई हैड फिनिश्ड माय होमवर्क. कब खत्म किया? जब मम्मी का खाना का कॉल आने का पहले, बिफोर डिनर का पहले. 8:30 डिनर नहीं हुआ था, मम्मी बुला रही थी डिनर के लिए, उसका भी पहले. तो दिस इज द अर्ली पास्ट. इन द सेम सेंटेंस वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ पास्ट, एंड इन दैट पास्ट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ अर्ली पास्ट. So if you follow this timeline, you'll reach to your past perfect tense. I hope so this example is clear to you. I'll show you one more example. So the example is, okay, again same thing. I had completed my work before the power went off. ठीक है? I had completed my work before the power went off. Now let's change the timeline. इसको समझते हैं. हाँ. So I had completed my work. So this had completed basically shows you what? ये शो करता है that it is a past perfect tense. इसमें आपको बेटा का मार्क्स मिल जाएगा, पर समझाना जरूरी पड़ता है मुझे that why it is a past perfect tense. So hence here it is. पकड़ लेते हैं. 7 बजे का टाइम है, प्रेजेंट टाइम है. पास्ट में इलेक्ट्रिक पावर वेंट ऑफ का मतलब क्या होता है कि भैया घर का बत्ती गुल हो गया. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वेंट. ठीक है? इलेक्ट्रिक वेंट, नो करंट इन द हाउस, जा. ओके, सो पास्ट में हो गया आपका. सोच लेते हैं आपका बज रहा है 6 PM and I had completed my work around 5:30. तो सोच लेते, सीन बनाते हैं. करंट में 7 बज रहे हैं. माय फादर कम्स बैक आफ्टर द वर्क. ही इज आस्किंग मी दैट काम जो दिया था हुआ कि नहीं हुआ. बिकॉज व्हेन ही कम्स बैक वो देखते कि करंट है ही नहीं. दम बूम बम दम माथा गरम, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, his work is completed or not. So at 7 PM I'm telling him I had completed my work before the power went off. So when did my power went off? My power went off at 6 PM. Power went off. Even though before that, in my early past at 5:30 I had completed your work, father. Father khush, I got a Cadbury. So what happened is 7 PM is the current time. Still we have no current. We are in the dark. Father comes in. Father पूछते कि बेटा काम हो गया. He's in a rush because he has to submit the work. But current गया हुआ है. So I tell him कि already I have completed the work. मैंने work complete कर दिया है. कब किया भैया? Power went off होने का भी पहले. तो power off कब हुआ? 6 बजे हुआ. उसका पहले आपका work खत्म हो गया. So this is the concept behind something known as the past perfect tense. I hope so. This explanation of mine is very much clear. And for your examination purpose, they'll ask you how to convert a sentence into a past perfect tense. ठीक, एक एग्जाम्पल दिखा देता हूं जरा. He helps his father. ठीक, he helps his father. Simple and sweet रखते, short रखते हैं. How will he convert? So he helps his father दिया हुआ है. So you have to remember the concept of the past perfect tense. Okay ना? Past perfect tense convert करना है इसको. तो फॉर्मेशन क्या था? सब्जेक्ट है यहां पर. अब परफेक्ट के लिए यहां पर एक तो वर्ड आएगा. आस्क योर सन एंड डॉटर what is that word. Okay, if they are able to answer, it's very nice. If they're not, don't beat them, don't trash them, make them and explain them once again, please. So the verb which is being used out here is had. So chupchap say he had. Again look at the child. What will this become? The action वो किसमें बदलेगा? Third form of the verb, or it will be in the first form of the verb only. तो बच्चा घबरा जाएगा obviously. But I hope so this time he or she will tell he had helped his father. Nothing changes. Had isn't included. Helps becomes helped. That's it. And here you go, guys. This is the past perfect tense of this particular sentence. एक मैं जरूर करवाता हूँ because so that you know when I will do the exercises you'll have an idea कि हो क्या रहा है. तो डिटेल समझा दिया हूँ कि देखो helps बन जाता है helped and then after because it's a perfect tense perfect होता है तो perfectly तुम्हारा आ जाता है had. तो conversion मैंने सिखा दिया थोड़ा सा, वरना बोलेंगे मिन्सी ने कुछ सिखाया ही नहीं how to convert, but I have taught you a bit of it, a gist of it. But I hope so this portion of yours is very very clear to you. And yes, I have staged my setup for my coaching. I have come to my house because I was not keeping well and my parents advised me कि बेटा सुनो कोविड चल रहा है घर पे रह के करो, that's better. Okay, so I heard the advice and you know I'm back to my house and I'm just settling it off, and from today onwards I'll be shooting in my house. And thank you for all the love and support, and please do subscribe my channel if you haven't. Thank you so much, and I hope to keep you posted every now and then about my classes. Thank you so much. Take care and bye bye.